Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Adobe XD plugins for UI UX workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe XD on your computer. Navigate to the top menu bar and click on Plugins. In the drop-down menu, select Discover Plugins. Here, you can browse through a variety of available plugins. Use the search bar to find specific plugins that fit your needs. Click on a plugin to see more details, including its description and user reviews. Once you've found a plugin, wait for the installation to complete. After installation, close the plugin manager. To access your newly installed plugin, return to the Plugins menu. You will now see the plugin listed under the Installed Plugins section. Click on the plugin to launch it. Follow any additional setup instructions provided by the plugin. You can now integrate the plugin into your workflow. Repeat this process for any other plugins you wish to install. Experiment with different plugins to enhance your UI/UX design experience. Stay updated with new plugins by periodically checking the plugin manager. Enjoy the added capabilities these plugins bring to your Adobe XD projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.